Hello. I received my Moto Edge 30 Pro from Flipkart today, and I'm going to do this opening video. So it took about 4 to 5 days to get to me. So this is the box right here. Right. The box looks pretty premium. It's a bit heavy as well. And yeah. So let's open it up. Okay, so here is the handset. You can see they've already put the cover on. This is a soft TPU gel cover on it. This is the phone itself. And you can see 3 cameras, 50 megapixel tri-camera setup with a 2 megapixel depth sensor at the bottom right here. And this is the main sensor. It has got an optical image stabilization as well. 50 megapixel, 2 micrometers optical image stabilization. It has a microphone right here. It has a microphone up top and another microphone, I assume, right here. Okay, so it has a function called, I guess, voice zoom. So what it does is it just focuses on the people who you're recording, and it enhances their voice so that their voice is a bit more clear. Okay, so put it to the side here and see what else is in the box. Okay, this is some paperwork, and this is the SIM ejection tool. I don't know, maybe it's, the exposure is a bit too high, I guess. All right, okay, so let me change the color here. So this is the SIM ejection tool, and this is it. It goes to the side. This is exciting. This is a USB-C to C cable, which is nice because the industry is transitioning to this same USB input and output. So the cable looks very sturdy, feels very strong, very premium. And right here is another highlight of the phone, which is a Motorola charging brick, and it is 68 watts charging brick. So that's what it is. There you go. And yeah, that's it in the box. And if we try to turn it on, there you go, it turns on, and there you go. Whoa. All right, okay, so this is Hello Moto, their signature voice. Now, if I talk about the screen right here, it is very bright. It's crispy clear, okay. Obviously it's 6.7 inches, so the phone looks a bit on the heavier end. And one of the cons of this design is the placement of power on and power up button and volume up and down buttons. But I think in my hands, it's pretty easily accessible. It's not a lot of effort to turn it on and off. So I think I can easily do that. So what I'll need to do is I'll need to set it up, and then I'll talk about everything else, the software part. So stay tuned. All right, so back after setting it up, and this is it. This is how it looks. So the screen is very fluid. You mind that there is 144 Hertz of screen refresh rate, and yeah, it's very bright. I'm gonna turn the Bluetooth off, and yeah, this is stock Android. I mean, I think this is as close as you can get from a different manufacturer other than Google to stock Android. And yeah, and you can see, I don't know if you can see that this bar, the progress bar right here, this is changing because this app is being updated or installed. So this is a nice feature. I mean, it tells you on the app screen that whatever you're installing or whatever you're updating. So this is very nice. It's a nice feature as well. There you go, like on this one now. So all in all, very decent feeling phone with 144 Hertz of screen refresh rate and stock Android. Yeah, this looks very nice. So if I take this cover off, you can see this is a clear TPU case and the phone itself right here. So it has like a very glossy finish, yet it feels a bit matty, I would say. And yeah, the sensors are pretty big. I mean, it's like the size of my fingertip, you know. So yeah, there you go. That's my initial box opening of the Moto X30 Pro, Edge 30 Pro, sorry. And now I still have not got any SIM cards installed in it, or I haven't set it up yet with my account and all. And hopefully I'll share some more insights very soon, how it feels to use and all. So yeah, thank you very much.